like this. Oh my god, this looks cool. Okay, everything is clear, but let's driving this car. Cool. Whoa, there's a lot. Yes, I love my friends. Yeah, we can be chill. Everything is perfect. Oh, hello. Why are you doing this? Whoa, chill. Chill, why? Let's make one person. If I got broken, I use it. Oh shit. Oh, what the hell are you doing? Oh, get off my way. Oh shit. This guy is far. I guess I can know why my by the way, I feel like too lazy speaking that. But by the way, how can I do some my new skin is here. By the way, I want this one. I guess I want to buy this one. It's my favorite. I guess I had it for money. Look at that, it's too many money. I guess I can buy this more. I guess, yeah. I guess need to add jobs. Okay, let's go. We need to have more jobs. More jobs every day. Let's go. For our jobs. Oh, you wanna go there? You go fire. Okay, goodbye police. Now I can go there. Let's go. Oh, I feel like I feel so like oh my PC. But no, it's oh my phone. It's just my grandpa. Oh, it's this can be faster. Let me in, please. Oh, are you serious? Come on. I guess it's my fault, boy. Booing like this, doesn't matter. But whatever I'll do. Is that okay? This will be that. From Japan. Oh shit. We'll be back. It's made by Sekai. True. It's overwhelming true. And last one is here. Oh, should I go there? Oh, no. Yes, I can go in there. I wish I can do it. That's... If this floor block, you can see those much better. If this rock blocker, then just you keep on this road or rusty trips or maybe I can do jobs is failed, bro. Tell me about this one. This works. Hurry up. Finally, nice. Wait, I feel like... Oh no, I got stuck. I guess. The server broken. Oh my. The server so damn. Why this road isn't broken? Finally, it worked. It's been too hard. Oh, I got this house too. Oops. Doesn't matter too. Oh. I'm cheated from you. I was as cheated over Taiwan and you. I'm cheated. Two, one, I hope this works. Oh shit. Why did that get you? My wallpaper now is forests behind screen. Yeah, it doesn't matter. Come on, I hope this works. $71, but my car is